Hey guys, welcome to Nasty Jewelers. What I'm going to show you today is how to tighten a channel set, especially when the channel is way above the diamonds. That means you cannot use the hammer to hammer down the actual channel to hold the stones. I'm going to show you how to steal a prong from the inside of the wall. A lot of people might appreciate this, but some might not because they're experts. But I just want to show you if you're really interested in something like this. And you can see on the inside, watch when I use this with my engraver there. On the inside, you're gonna see the diamonds are bouncing. You see it? Like there's no way you could hammer that down because look how thick. There's almost 1 millimeter thickness to hammer that down. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on the inside here and you're gonna steal a prong from the inside. You can see it, and I'm gonna bend it over the diamond. Okay, so that should hold the stone in place. Okay, so I'm gonna do it here. So if you want to add a little bit more, you can see I'm gonna go here and bring it over. So once you can see that stone is tightened. You can do it on both sides. From this side, look how thick that wall is. So I'm gonna steal it from the inside, go sideways, a little bit above it, and bring the prong over and down. So the ones that are really, you can see this one is super loose. I go on the inside. Usually I would groove it and push it over. But with this one, you can see it already held it. So same thing with this one here. I go here. You can see the notch and over. If you want to use this, that's fine. But this setting is a complete mess. It's not the best settings, but we just sized it. Okay, so I'm going to go down, hold it, so that way it tightens up. Okay. That should do it. You can see they're all super tight now. So I always go over the same notch. If you want to do two, you could do two, because like this one, I was forced to do two because one wouldn't hold it because it was rocking a lot. You can see now they're all held in place. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, please ask me. I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching.